Welcome, my name is XIAOMI Mi 10, and today I will show you how to copy contacts from your SIM card to the device. So to get started, you want to open up the Contacts app, which will be the standalone one, so you can find it right in here. So tap on it, let's just skip signing in, and then tap on the three bars, go into the settings, and at the bottom of the settings you will find import option. Choose that, select your SIM card, OK, and here you will have all the contacts that are located on the SIM card. By default, as you can see, they are all selected, but you can deselect the ones that you might not want. And from there, once you're satisfied with everything that is selected, tap on the check mark, 5 SIM contacts imported, and now if we go back, you can see that there is now 6 SIM contacts because there was already one on here. So that is basically how you would copy contacts, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.